Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorial how to combine sketch point. For example, I will draw sketch. You can click start to the sketch and I will choose top plane. I will draw line here. I will draw again line object and the last we draw the horizontal line. Now, if you want to combine sketch by points, we can use this constraint, coincidence constraint. You can click and then you can click the point. I will click in here, first point and the second point. So it will be automatically combined. We'll click again from this point into here and the last from this point into this point. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorial, how to combine sketch points. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.